Check, 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 check. I've had to start the stream again because I've been streaming for about 40 minutes and the first 20 I was on mute. Just to show you my amateurish YouTubing skills. So there you have it. Always do a mic check, which I always do. Only this time I didn't see the red button. So we're a little bit late. Starting again. You join us live from Studio Marco. Checking up, checking in. Let this begin. GME 280 area, AMC 295 area, $11 area. We have marked up the chart, ladies and gentlemen. So we have some support here around 270, some resistance around 280, which we are hoping to see through the day turns into support and acts as a springboard up to the next level. What else have we got? I've put the SSR activation point in there just as a point of reference, just in case we get right down there and trigger for next week. Let us see what happens. If you are new to the channel, welcome to Mark. That's me, my words. If you take a moment, please hit subscribe. We are literally less than 20 subscribers away from the magical 100, where we can claim the coveted prize of a custom URL from YouTube. So we are nearly there, troops. Help me get there. Hit that button. Whoa, here we are. We have got our favorite guys back in the chat. Squirrel, Mub, hello to you guys over the pond in the good old United States of America. I hope you have both put $1,400 of free money into our favorite meme stocks. Let's go and have a look for Mub at AMC. I've already marked us up a little bit, Mub, so we know where we are. Today, we have got support at 1023. We had resistance at 1040, which we finally broke. We had some more resistance at 1085, which we popped through. The next level is 1124. So this 1085 now, we are hoping to see that turns into some nice support. Let's see how we get on there today. So what else have I done today? I am again trying to get into day trading, and yesterday I don't know if you saw my video yesterday, but I did make 10% yesterday on a quick flip of OCGN. If I go over there, I will show you what we did yesterday. Oops, get rid of that. Move over here. So I entered yesterday at 9.24 after following this on Twitter. I got 100 shares at 9.24. I got out at 10.24, and then it kind of bled down through the day. And I saw it today and I thought, here's the 10.71. I didn't trust my own instincts. I didn't let it fall enough to see if we would maintain that support. I got in at 10. That should be 10. Let me just check my average and adjust that. So I got in at 10.59. So I didn't choose the best entry point, and shortly after we hit the accelerator down to the $10 area. So not my best trade, but we are here to learn. So we will see what happens as we go along. Thanks, Squirrel. Yeah, it was. It's it's $100 or $103 or whatever it was. So every penny counts, and that's obviously covering the losses that I'm making on the same ticker today. So it is what it is. It is what it is. We're here to learn. If we could do it perfect every time, we'd all be rich by now, and we wouldn't be sat here looking at penny stocks trying to make $100. But it's all part of the fun. It's all part of the experience. So we take it for what it is. Quick back over to AMC, just dropping back into that channel there. Let's see if that area now becomes the main trading zone, if we can call it that, for the day. Let's see if we stay in that channel there. And likewise with GME, we are at touching again the 280. So we have punched above a few times at the beginning, and then here a little bit, and now here. So what I would be looking for is to turn that into support. Go away. Oh man, why does it keep doing this? There we go. Get rid of that one. Get rid of that one. So I think that is starting to look like an area of support. We have come down. We have tested it a few times. Again, this isn't extremely accurate, but we've tested it a few times. And let's see if we can maintain this little trend line that we're starting to develop here. Okay, let's say it's there. Let's see if we can maintain that and maybe trade above 280 for the day. Mob making some money this week. That's what it's all about, my friend. That's what it's all about. And if you're making big money, great. If you're making some money, great. Because it's all relative. And as long as we are making, we are making. AMC now. Just dropping back below that 1085 area. A couple of big candles. We're looking here at the 50-day MA. Will it use that as some support? Let's see. Let's see. Drop below. There you go. Mark giving it the kiss of death. We call it the commentator's curse in England. So it generally, they're playing well when they're talking about our football team or soccer team, as you guys would call it. Yeah, they're playing well, and then they'll go and concede a goal. So, it is what it is. Anyway, I hope you've both had a good week. I've not been able to live stream because where I am, the kindergartens are closed. So I have my son on 50-50 custody, and I've had him with me this week. Usually he would be in kindergarten. Unfortunately, he's not, so it's not really the time to be live streaming when he's here. He's only a nipper, so I've got to take care of him. AMC, good strong recovery there, pushing back up towards that 1085 area. Let's see if that was a false break below or if that is going to hold below 1085. GME again punching back above 280, it looks like. Yeah, so that is starting to look like a bit of a trend. What are we showing on here? I've got a different platform running on my iPad down here because it gives a little bit more of an accurate price. This trading view, which I'm using here, is sometimes a little bit slow. It's a little bit few seconds behind the actual price. So take from that what you will. AMC, good. A good little recovery there, back up to 1080. Can we punch back above that 1085 and get back into that zone? It would be nice to see. But again, we do have that support here at 1040 area. So if we stay in that channel or move up into this channel, I would consider that positive. At the end of the day, it's all about what are we making. And if you're making, that's all that matters. We are approaching my cost average on AMC, I believe. I think I'm about 1080 area. So that for me is good. And when you get to those little psychological markers, it gives you the strength and the mentality to hold on when things are getting a bit choppy, because you see that it can get back up to where it was. So yeah, we are, in fact, let me have a look here. Yeah, we are just about at my break even point. In fact, 1090 will take us over it. Um, so yeah, good, 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 good. All good so far. Back up into that zone now, that 1085 to 1124 zone. So we shall see if we hold that. It would be nice. It's good to see it get back up there within the space of 5 minutes. This is the so we drop down here, which is these are all 1 minute markers. So 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes. We were back up there. Good recovery as far as I'm concerned. GME again holding that 280 area. Currently up 8.6%. So let's see, guys. I want to know: have you, when you get your stimulus checks, are you going to be using it in these, or are you going to put it elsewhere? Again, it's a personal question. So you know you don't feel that you need to answer. I'm just interested as a foreigner as to what the mentality is around these stimulus checks from everyday good folk of America. Are they seeing it as something like an opportunity to just put the money in here because it's money that you didn't have before, or is it going to be? I mean, I know for some people it'll be the difference between eating and not eating, and I'm blessed to be in the position that I'm in, and I pray for those people, I really do, and I hope that it gives them the support that they need. But obviously, there's a lot more people that are in a lot more fortunate positions that might be using this just to just see it as a bonus and try and put it to work here. I think the timing is the timing is impeccable, and probably the hedge funds are sat with the hedge funds that are shorting are probably sat with their head in their hands this week, going, "Oh no, there's a whole load of money coming into the market." So that's my opinion, but I could be wrong. Like I said, I'm interested in hearing what you guys think of it. OCGM, we continue to crash and burn. Oh man, we're back down. That's the next support level there, $9-10. So we're right on the cusp of you know, we're right on the cusp of the next area. So let's see where we get to with it. But it is what it is. You can't get too upset by it. AMC again, look at that, back into the 1094, 1085 to 1124 area. So again, a good strong recovery there. GME holding that 280. So happy with that as well. Just away from trading for a moment. Obviously, we're doing training on this channel as well. I'm going to be covering some of my cycling activity over the spring and the summer. And this afternoon, I'll be unpacking my bike, which has been packed away for the winter. So I'll be making a video on that. If you're interested in following that part of the channel, then do check back later, because once I go off air from here, I'll be doing a quick video on unpacking the bike. And tomorrow will be the first post-winter ride. So I'm quite looking forward to that. I'm going to go out with a friend looking to do around 40 miles. So we'll see how it goes. It's always tough getting back in the saddle after a winter off, but I do tend to do running through the winter as well. So I try and keep in shape as best as possible. I am getting on now. I'm 45 years old. The body's not what it used to be. You probably see behind me some things on the wall. I was in the military for 10 years. I served for 10 years in the British Army. So I am conscious of keeping myself fit, and I do like to keep myself fit. So yeah, keep an eye out for that, and I will be taking it in the new van, the bus, whatever you want to call it. So it's the first real ride out I'll have had in the new wagon. Not yet converted. That's not getting done till June, but it'll be nice to get some kilometres on the clock. GME just on a little bit of a push, testing up. Oh, big candle there. So that's a nice little push there. 286.70 now showing on my screen down here. 286.82, 287.54. So again, a little bit of a lag here, but we are there or thereabouts. And that's a good little push there. I'm interested to see if where's the next level that we should be looking for here. We are there or thereabouts. Look there. Let's pop another resistance line in there so that we can keep up. We are there or thereabouts, 287 area. Again, this isn't exact. You'll have to bear with me, but pop it there, 286. So we've punched above that as well. Let's see if that transpires into anything interesting. Volume for the day so far, nearly 6 million. Nearly 6 million in the first 55 minutes. So let's see. Stimulus coming soon. Maybe it'll help push some stuff up. Yeah, I think so, Squirrel. I think you're right. Maybe Bitcoin, Doge, GME. I think crypto's going to get a bit of a jump because it's the big play at the moment, isn't it? You know, some of the banks are now taking it on as well. So that'll be interesting. Yeah, and you know, maybe AMC and GME will see some benefit. It's had enough publicity. So I can only imagine that some of it is going to go in here somewhere. I'm just going to get a drink. I'm thirsty. Give me a second. We're back. We're back. We're back. Where are we? 1085 now for GME, a gain of around 10% there or thereabouts. AMC 1090, a gain of 6% there or thereabouts, and back up into that 1085 to 1124 channel. I've been talking my friends' ears off about stocks and crypto the past month. 3 of them are first-time buyers, starting with this stimulus. Oh, good. Good, good, good. And I hope you've been telling them, Squirrel, put in what you can afford to lose. Get out when you're happy with the gains, because that's what it's all about. That is the most important thing, is that people do what is best for them and they don't jump on anybody else's hype train. OCGN testing that $10. That $10. Let me get rid of that. Look, another one there. It's testing. It's dipped under a couple of times. Be interesting to see. I've nearly wiped out the gains that I had yesterday from it. So I think we'll sit and watch this, and we may close out before we give up all the gains that we had yesterday. 995, it's dropping again. And there is no real support below where we are, maybe around 980 area. Yeah, exactly that, Squirrel. Make your own picks and don't gamble. Do not gamble. Do you know what? I'm going to let OCGN ride for the day, I think, and we will take it as a learning curve. I think patience is going to be key with this one. Although we are dropping mightily quickly. We are 990. $986. Interesting. Let's see. Let's see. GME, where are we? Again. Pushing back up again, testing that 286 area. So it'd be interesting to see if we can punch through that. 287 now. Where are we? 287. 287. 288. Interesting day. I wasn't expecting this. If I'm brutally honest, I was not expecting it. 290. We've just touched 290. Just touching 290. So we're getting close to where we were on Wednesday before the holy shamoly, what went wrong there? I feel pretty good today, confident today. Going to take a day off and go out and have fun. Good for you, mate. Good for you. Make the most of it. Get yourself outdoors. Enjoy yourself. And try not to overthink this situation. I know it's hard. I mean, it's really hard sometimes, isn't it? Not to keep looking at your screen. But we do what we can. We are testing now above 290. So is this a sustainable move? Is this sustainable? Let's see. Will it hold above 292 almost? Yeah, it's a very good call, that squirrel. Trying to take advantage of it now, before the madness comes. Look at this. This is strong. This is strong today. I mean, the first hour, this is strong. What's next? It must be 300 again. That's what we had it at the other day. So it must be there or thereabouts. Let's try putting it on the 5-day and see if we can get a clearer picture. 300, 302, look. Let's put it 302. I'm going to say. I'm going to put another one in there, 302. Because I don't really see much, a little bit. I guess these are just single candles, you know. There's two there touching, so I'm going to put it in there. Just over $3, $300. And I'm going to say that that's the next one we're looking at. Oh, that's moved. That needed to go to 220, 234, didn't it? There we go. There or thereabouts. Put that back on the 1 minute. And there we go. There you have it. We are into the 290 area now and pushing strong. We are pushing strong. Yeah, man. We're on the roll. Remember when this happened, Squirrel? Mate, it's always when you're on here. You need you need to be on here more often. This is reminiscent of the 50, was it, did we go 48, 48, 49, something like that, up to 90 something that day? That was a crazy hour or so, wasn't it? So that was interesting. We're back. We're back in that kind of area. It's doing wonders, this, for my. Oh, I don't know if you saw, Squirrel, but I bought some more. I bought some more. Not a lot. I think I got two more. Yeah, I got two more at 250. 250, 150. I got two more. That was the other day. So before mid drop, I think it was. But they're covering. They're just about covering the losses I'm getting on OCGN. So you know, swings and roundabouts. Swings and roundabouts. We shall see what happens. I'm just wondering if it's going to go crazy down again. If there's going to be a crazy drop again. Can't see it, but you know, you just never know. You got one more as well. Good man. Good man. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know how to do it, Squirrel, for the because I've seen some people when you go to the front page of YouTube, it says there's people have holding cards there, and it says you know you can click set reminder so you get notified when it's starting. And obviously, I don't, I'm not sure how to do that, so I'm going to read up on that and see if it's something that I'm doing wrong, because obviously that would be better if I could just put it out there and um, people can see when I'm on. But this one I made a bit of a mess up. I had to start again because uh, I was on mute. I was I was on mute for about the first 15 minutes, so it never. That's probably why nobody came and said hello, because they couldn't hear a word I was saying. But again, it's all a learning curve. I'm going to extend that trend line. We're just dropping back below 290. So I'm going to extend that out because that gives us a better visualization of where, you know, potentially we could bounce along. Let me up that a little bit. Oh, not that one, is it? Let's see. Get rid of that. And let's see if we stay in this kind of area here. Be interesting. Yeah, I've seen that, Squirrel. I'm just not sure if that is, you know, working on mine. I guess I could go to YouTube on a different device and see, couldn't I? Set it up and then see. But I tell you what, I'll be streaming the close today. I'll be back on for close. So what I'll do is I'll try and figure it out and see if I can get a place card in there so that people can see that I'm going to be on and maybe jump on the chat or something. But I'm pleased with the action so far today. It's actually better than I anticipated. I wasn't actually sure how we were going to get on today. AMC's holding that 290, 1090 area. That's still in that channel. Again, it's following it's staying above the 50 MA, which is nice. Yeah, maybe it is squirrel. You know, there's all sorts of reasons why it might be, but I'll read up on it and see. It's no biggie at the moment, so it is what it is. Go on, OCGN. We're on the comeback. I've just seen it. We're on the comeback. Look at that. We're clawing our way back, cent by cent. It's a long way back. 53 cents to go. But, you know, it's been there once already today. There's no reason why it can't get back there again. And we shall just let that ride today, I think, and see where we end up with it at the end of the day. Mustn't forget to close out the trade. Let's see. So GME is hovering around the 290 area. We do have some support around 285 and 280. So interested to see if it holds that kind of area. AMC again staying in a channel of support, 1085, just at the bottom end of that, up to 1124. So that's the state of play with just over 1 hour and 10 minutes of trading for today. And I'm going to sign off. I've got a video to make now on unbagging the bike. So if you are interested in that, please do look out for that later. And I'll be back on live streaming for close of trading today, probably around 3:30 US Eastern time, I think it is. Anyway, it's 9 p.m. Central European time. So I think it's 3 p.m. Eastern time. I'm in too many different time zones in my head, so I get confused. So thanks for dropping by. If you have dropped by and you were new here and you have hit subscribe, I really do appreciate it. A couple of people on the chat, Mub, Squirrel, great to see you back here. Do hope to see you back for the close. Have a great day, you guys. I know your day is just starting, so have a great day over there. Do stay safe. Do take care of yourself. And do pop back later for market close. Okay, troops, that's all for now. Thanks for watching and catch you next time.